Hi, my name is David, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to get out of debt in 2023. Debt can be overwhelming and stressful, but there are practical steps you can take to get back on track. Step 1. Make a budget. The first step in getting out of debt is to understand where your money is going. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses, including your debt payments. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect money toward paying off your debts. Step 2. Prioritize your debts. Next, prioritize which debts to pay off first. Consider paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, before paying off lower-interest debts like student loans. This will help you save money on interest charges over time. Step 3. Increase your income if possible. Consider increasing your income. You can do this by taking on a side job, selling items you no longer need, or finding ways to make money from a hobby or skill. The extra income can be directed toward paying off your debts. Step 4. Negotiate with creditors. If you're having trouble making your monthly payments, reach out to your creditors and see if they can offer any assistance, such as a lower interest rate or a reduced payment. Don't be afraid to negotiate and be proactive about finding a solution that works for both you and your creditors. Step 5. Avoid new debt. It's important to avoid taking on any new debt while you're paying off your existing debts. This means avoiding new credit card balances and loans, and focusing on living within your means. Conclusion: getting out of debt can be a long and difficult journey, but with a plan and determination, it's possible. By creating a budget, prioritizing your debts, increasing your income, negotiating with creditors, and avoiding new debt, you can get back on the path to financial stability and freedom from debt. Remember, it's important to take control of your finances and make smart choices that will benefit you in the long run. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to getting out of debt in 2023.